This video, I show you how to earn $10 every minute with a website, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. How to make $10 every 5 minutes using a website. Thus in this video, I will show you step by step how to use this 100% free tool to earn $10 per 5 minute. If you want to earn free money right now by just clicking some buttons, watch this till the end, because today I will show you exactly how to do it. And don't forget, I have important tips for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. This is 100% free, and only a few people know about this. This is available worldwide. No matter which country are you coming from, you can make money with this website. United States, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Philippines or Singapore, it doesn't matter. But today I will show you what this tool is, how to use this, and how to make money by using this right here. So this is a free graphic design tool to help us create impressive content in minutes, such as logos, thumbnails, intros, presentations, and much more. This is a 100% beginner-friendly method, so you don't need any graphic designing skills or experience. As I said before, this tool will do the work for us, so you don't need any graphic designing skills at all. We just need to click some buttons and we will get paid, as easy as that. In this video, I'll show you how this works and how easy is this tool to use. As you can see here, free graphic design tool to help you create impressive content in minutes. Browse thousands of professional templates and edit them right away. So we can simply create our designs within 1 minute. So this is at Crello.com. Now for the first step, all you have to do is go over to Crello.com. Once you're here, you need to create a free account. To do so, just click on this sign up button right here on top. Creating your free account should take no longer than 1 minute. Now for the second step, I'm going to show you guys how to use this free tool. Don't skip any second, because I'll give you many important tips on this step. And if you miss them, this method will not work for you. So after you created your account on Crello, you need to type logo in the search bar, then just click search. Once you clicked search, you'll see here a lot of pre-made logos. As you can see, all of these logos are high quality and they're done for us. This tool already created the logos for us. And all we have to do is just change some text, colors, and stuff like that. It's very easy, and anyone can simply do this method. Now, you need to choose the logo you like. Let's say for example I like this logo right here. So all I have to do is simply click on this logo, and then it will bring us over to this page. This is where we can customize the logo that we chose. Now for the third step, I will show you how to earn $10 every 5 minutes by using the logo which we just created. First and foremost, I want you to go to Fiverr.com. If you don't know what Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace. Here, people are selling their logo designs, intros, thumbnails and many services. So what we will be doing here is we are going to sell our logos. As I showed you earlier, it's very easy to create a logo by using that free tool. When you go to the logos section right here, you can see that many people are selling their logos here, and they are making huge money on Fiverr. That's why I highly recommend you to start this right now. This is not just something that will pay us a couple of dollars every day. This is a real online business, and a lot of people are making a full-time income selling logos here. So I highly recommend you create a free account on Fiverr and start this right now. And that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. Thank you.